Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for your health: oatmeal. It's a breakfast staple for many, but are you making these common mistakes that could be harming your health? Oatmeal can be a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with fiber, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. But it's easy to turn this healthy breakfast option into something that works against your health goals. Stick around as we break down 8 common oatmeal mistakes that could be sabotaging your health journey, and I'll give you the knowledge to build the perfect bowl of morning goodness. Let's kick things off with a big one: adding too much sugar. I know, a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down, but trust me, your body will thank you for cutting back on the sweet stuff. See, oatmeal already has natural sugars. Adding heaps of table sugar, brown sugar, or even too much honey can spike your blood sugar levels, leading to those dreaded energy crashes later on. Plus, excess sugar consumption is linked to a whole host of health problems like weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. So, what's a health-conscious oatmeal enthusiast to do? Instead of reaching for the sugar bowl, why not try adding natural sweetness with fresh or frozen fruits? Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, or how about a drizzle of honey? Honey has a lower glycemic index than sugar, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar as quickly. Plus, it boasts antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, moderation is key. A little bit of sweetness can go a long way in enhancing the flavor of your oatmeal without sabotaging your health goals. Let's talk about instant oatmeal. It's convenient, it's quick, but is it really doing your body any favors? The truth is, most instant oatmeal packets are loaded with added sugars, preservatives, and artificial flavors. Those little flavor packets might seem harmless, but they often contain a surprising amount of sugar and other processed ingredients. And remember, we're trying to avoid those sugar crashes and processed foods as much as possible. Instead of reaching for those flavored packets, opt for steel-cut oats or rolled oats. Steel-cut oats are the least processed type of oats and have a chewier texture and nuttier flavor. Rolled oats are slightly more processed, but still a great option, and cook faster than steel-cut oats. Trust me, the extra few minutes it takes to cook steel-cut or rolled oats is well worth it for the nutritional benefits and the satisfaction of knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome goodness. Oatmeal is a great source of carbohydrates, which provide energy, but it's important to remember that a balanced breakfast also includes protein. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, prevents those mid-morning cravings, and supports muscle growth and repair. So how do you pump up the protein in your oatmeal? Easy. Add a handful of nuts or seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds are all excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. If you're looking for a bigger protein boost, consider adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. There are so many protein powder options available these days, from whey protein to plant-based options like pea protein, brown rice protein, and soy protein. Just stir a scoop into your cooked oatmeal and voila! You've got yourself a protein-packed breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Chapter 4. Let's talk about fiber. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to digestive health. It keeps things moving smoothly, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can even lower cholesterol levels. And guess what? Oatmeal is already a good source of fiber, but we can do even better. By adding fiber-rich toppings to your oatmeal, you can enhance its nutritional value and reap even more health benefits. Berries, which we talked about earlier, are not only delicious but also packed with fiber. Chia seeds and flax seeds are other fantastic options. These little nutritional powerhouses are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and brain function. And don't forget about fruits like raspberries and pears. These are high in fiber and can add a unique sweetness to your bowl. So go ahead and experiment with different fiber-rich toppings to find your favorites. Chapter 5. We've all been there, rushing to get ready in the morning and resorting to the microwave to cook our oatmeal in a flash. But here's the thing. Overcooking your oats can actually reduce their nutritional value. When oats are cooked for too long, they can lose some of their fiber and become mushy, which isn't very appetizing. The key is to find the sweet spot. Cooking your oats just until they're tender but still have a bit of a bite. Steel-cut oats typically take the longest to cook, around 20 to 30 minutes on the stovetop. Rolled oats cook much faster, usually within 5 to 10 minutes. And instant oats? Well, those are best avoided altogether, remember? If you're short on time in the morning, try making a big batch of oatmeal on the weekend and storing it in the fridge for easy breakfasts throughout the week. That way you can just grab a portion and reheat it when you're ready to eat. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you're eating too much of them. Oatmeal is nutrient-rich and can be a great part of a healthy diet, but it's important to be mindful of your portion sizes. A typical serving size of oatmeal is about half a cup dry, which cooks up to about 1 cup. Now, depending on your individual calorie needs and activity levels, you may need more or less than that. But it's always a good idea to start with a reasonable portion and see how you feel. You can always add a bit more if you're still hungry. And remember, those toppings add calories too. So if you're adding nuts, seeds, and fruits, you may want to adjust your oatmeal portion accordingly. It's all about finding that balance that works best for you. Don't let your oatmeal become boring. One of the best things about oatmeal is its versatility. You can literally add an endless combination of toppings to create different flavor profiles and keep your taste buds guessing. One day, you could go for a tropical vibe with chopped mango, pineapple, and a sprinkle of coconut flakes. The next day, you could switch it up with a berrylicious bowl topped with blueberries, strawberries, and a drizzle of honey. Get creative and experiment with different spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. You can even add a dollop of nut butter for a dose of healthy fats and a creamy texture. The possibilities are endless. So ditch the monotony and make your oatmeal exciting by switching up your toppings regularly. I know, those flavored oatmeal packets are super tempting. They promise all sorts of delicious flavors like apple cinnamon, maple brown sugar, and cookies and cream. But don't be fooled. These packets are often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that can harm your health. Remember what we talked about earlier about sugar and processed foods? We want to avoid those as much as possible. Instead of relying on those flavor packets, why not become the master of your own oatmeal destiny and create your own delicious and healthy flavor combinations? You can easily mimic the flavors of your favorite oatmeal packets using natural ingredients. For example, instead of that apple cinnamon packet, try adding diced apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg to your oatmeal. Want that maple brown sugar goodness? Stir in a tablespoon of pure maple syrup and a pinch of sea salt. Trust me, once you start experimenting with natural flavors, you'll never go back to those artificial packets again. So there you have it, folks. Avoid these common oatmeal mistakes to make sure you're getting the most out of your breakfast. Remember to choose less processed oats, watch the sugar content, and don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Oatmeal is a fantastic breakfast option when prepared with health in mind. By making these simple changes, you can transform your bowl of oatmeal from a potential health hazard into a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.